We got the glow going, we got the orange red look going, and we got the lashes going, because today's video is based on Khloe Kardashian. So if you want to know how to get this Khloe inspired look, just keep watching. First, we're going to start off with e.l.f.'s Poreless Face Primer. Start by using e.l.f.'s foundation brush in the number 106, and in the deep circle in the middle of the brush, I put 2 pumps of my Born This Way foundation along with 1 drop of my Maybelline's Master Prime Strobing liquid. This is what is going to give our face an all-around glow. Just apply a small amount of tape shape concealer under your eyes to conceal the dark circles, and then to not only conceal but to highlight, use Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer under our eyes, down the bridge of our nose, and on the middle of the forehead. I'm going to apply it using e.l.f.'s concealer brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with my makeup sponge. Also use it on top of the lid to use it as an eyeshadow primer. To set my concealer, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. To contour my face, I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I'm just going to use my setting powder to highlight the side of my nose underneath where I did the contour, so that all the shadowing won't be all over on the side, because if it's all blended out on the whole side, then it's not going to make my nose look smaller like I want it to. Just taking my Maybelline Fashion Brow Palette, I'm just going to apply the powder to my eyebrows, and then I'm going to blend it out with my fingers because I do not use a lot since I do naturally have thick eyebrows. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to use the color Cocoa Truffle to warm up my crease. All over the lid, apply So Bougie. On the other side of the brush, I'm going to take the color Love and Cocoa, and I'm going to apply it to the outer portion of my lid, and I'm also going to bring it into the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. Just to touch it up, I'm going to reapply Cocoa Truffle in the crease and a little bit on the outer portion of the lid just to deepen the brown a little more. Now I'm going to apply Rolling in Dough on my brow bone, and then I'm going to blend it out, especially because I put a little too much. Now I am applying Love and Cocoa to my bottom lids. And then I'm going to smudge a little Cocoa Truffle to my lash line. Highlight the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use the color Gold Dipped, and I'm going to apply it to the beginning of my bottom lid and drag it up to the beginning of my top lid. Using my Ciati Gel Co-Liner, I'm going to tightline and smudge a little on my top lash line. Next, I'm going to use a brown eyeliner for my waterline, and the one I'm using is Trace Stick's eyeliner, and it's in the color Swiss Chocolate. And I'm going to smudge a brown eyeshadow, which is Cocoa Truffle from the palette, on my bottom lash line. Apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. The mascara I am using is Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. Now to highlight, I'm going to start off with Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick, and I'm going to apply it to the top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Make sure when you blend it out, you use your fingers. It melts very well into the skin when you are blending it out with your fingers. I forgot to mention, I am also applying it above the brows. Now for more of a glow, I'm going to use the highlighter in the Femme Rosa Carucci Colourpop palette. And the highlighter is gold, and I'm going to apply it on top of wherever I applied the strobing stick. Taking my shimmer bronzer palette from Hikari, I'm going to take the bronzer and I'm going to use it as my blush, and I'm also going to lightly dust it around my face just to warm it up. Taking a big clean brush, I'm just blending everything around my face. Now for my lips, I'm just going to line it using my red lip liner from Victoria's Secret. And then for the orange lipstick, I'm going to use a lipstick from Mellow Cosmetics, and the color is Electro. To set my makeup, I'm going to use rose water because besides the fact that it sets my makeup, it keeps my skin glowing and it makes it feel refreshed. And here is the finished look. If you like this video, which I hope you do, please like, comment, and subscribe.